Welcome back to Zurich!
Oh! Oh! 3 black 3 RSs. Oh. The trio is back.
What the hell? Bro, that's sick! Welcome back to Zurich! No, I normally don't do shit like that, but perfect timing, I guess. Oh, that thing is wild. Zurich traffic be like, my dear friends?
Oh, peace. Bro, GT2 RS now. Bro, Zurich is back. We're back in business, bro. Finally, we got some cars in town. Bro, what a welcome. Freaking AMG 1 here back in town. Oh my lordy lord. I wish I was not in the car because that's bullshit. Chasing cars. I hate that. Oh yeah, it is what it is. For the clip, bro. For the clip. What's that body kit on this GT? Look at the louver, the fenders, the wheels, the exhaust, the wing, everything. Crazy body kit. Really loud. Oh, RS6. Oh, A12. Oh, shit, quad. Oh yeah. 488 Spider. White on white on white. Every car is white. Bro, this one is loud. Holy, what a spec! Bro, it's that brown with gold and silver stripes. Come on, out of my way, out of my way. Oh yeah. What a spec. Oh, and the Touring. Wow. White Lamborghini Revuelto. Sick. What a sound. Oh, bicycle in the way. One of my favorite colors on a Porsche. Watch this. In ruby. Very, very nice. Oh, gorgeous. What's bro doing? I don't know. Where's bro coming from? What the hell? German. It's a nice one. Ah, this dude. Alright. He also owns an XX Spider in blue Pozzi, 911 ST, GT2 RS, and so on. Baperta. Like the daily driven one in Zurich. Changing lanes. The man himself. Bro, it's so burning hot and I can't go in the shade. 675 LT Spider, always the same one. But one of the best McLarens in my opinion. So maybe I'm blind, but it looks green, dark green. Cool number plate. Yeah, it's dark green. Very nice. Wow, 2 Ferraris, 488. Black Spider and the white Spider. Double trouble, I guess. GT3 RS. Loud one, he's back. Nice, Trump! Bro, how random, it's raining. Bro, that's disgusting. That's shit, bro. Drive. Oh my god. Oi, oi. get out of the tank. Let's watch 3RS heaven here in Zurich. Where are they? Porsche heaven here. Oh my god, the wine, the supercharged wine. Come on, I need the wine. Bro, do it. That's the only reason why you want to buy the car. What's there? Technica. Oh yeah, very nice. This is Zurich spec. 3 black 3RSs. And the Ruby Star Red, whatever, GT3. Hand in hand, spotting the A12. Oh, that's very mean of me. Yes sir, black on black on black. Everything is black here in Zurich. Come on. Oh! Oh! Bro, Metropole action. Everyone is doing it. Another black car. Oh, everything is black here. Thumbnail. Das ist für YouTube. What is bro doing? Oh. Oh! Bro's doing burnout. Oh! Oh my god! What a wild crew! Wow. There you go! Chiron Super Sport from Ticino, bro! Damn! New comp in town! Bro, what is the color? Dark grey! Damn! Dark grey Revolto. Technica, OF, UF. Yeah, 3RS. 3RS is leaving. Come on! Oh, the puppy! Hell yeah! Cute. Oh. Oh, what a lineup. It's back in town. The trio is back. And there's the SVJ. Oh! Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh, there he is. Pretty fast. Au revoir. Wow, that's so sick.
Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom.
And there's the third one. Hey, he's driving the wrong way, bro! Geisterfahrer! Geisterfahrer! Oh, it sounds so good. Let's go! What the hell, bro? Oh my god. The police is there. Oh my god. Oh, they're not happy.